Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sewing notions and supplies with a countdown of the best-selling products on Amazon. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, you'll find something to inspire your creativity. Without further ado, let's get started. Introducing number 5 on our countdown of best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon, the incredible Fairfield, the original poly-fil. This premium polyester fiber fill is your go-to solution for all your crafting and stuffing needs. Are you ready to experience unparalleled softness and quality? Made from 100% polyester, this fiber fill boasts superior resiliency and a smooth, consistent texture. No more dealing with clumpy, uneven stuffing. With Fairfield's special blend, your pillows, stuffed animals, and decorative pieces will maintain their perfect shape and fluffiness. Imagine sinking your head into a perfectly fluffed pillow every night. Blissful, right? Now let's talk versatility. This polyfill isn't just for pillows. It's ideal for adding that cozy, squishy feel to handmade dolls, toys, and stuffed animals. Crafting a cloud decoration for a nursery or party? This fiber fill is perfect for creating those soft, fluffy clouds that add a whimsical touch to any space. Your creativity knows no bounds with this product. Safety is paramount, and Fairfield delivers. The original polyfill is hypoallergenic and free from harmful chemicals and flame retardants. It's safe for children, so you can involve them in your projects without worry. Plus, it's eco-friendly, made right here in the USA from recycled materials. Crafting with a conscience has never been easier. And here's the best part, maintenance is a breeze. This fiber fill is machine washable. Simply wash on a gentle cycle with warm water and either air dry or tumble dry on a low heat setting. If the fiber shifts during washing, a gentle massage will return it to its original plushness. Fairfield, the original polyfill, the ultimate fiber fill for pillows, toys, and so much more. Experience the difference in quality and comfort today. Introducing number 4 in our top 5 best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon. Melsan 1x 4-inch hook and loop strips with adhesive. This is your new best friend for all home and office organization needs. Ready to make your life easier? Say goodbye to holes and screws. Melsan's industrial strength hook and loop tape transforms how you hang and mount items. With its robust adhesive backing, your projects stay put without the need for drilling holes. Imagine a no holes, no mess project. How convenient is that? Crafted from 100% nylon, these fasteners boast a strong grip and superior stickiness. Whether it's glass, plastic, wood, or any flat, clean surface, Melsan holds firm. Your photo frames, remote controls, area rugs, and craft projects will stay exactly where you want them. That's unmatched versatility right there. Think about it. Organizing kitchen tools, office cables, educational prints, and more has never been this simple. Clean the surface, peel off the liner, and stick on the hook or loop strip. It's that easy. Perfect for any home, office, or school setup, this tape is your go-to for mounting, hanging, and securing. What's more, each set includes 15 pairs of 1x 4-inch strips, offering you flexibility and convenience. Cut to your desired length and enjoy hassle-free fastening for lightweight items. Melsan 1x 4-inch hook and loop strips with adhesive, your versatile, strong, and easy solution for a tidy, organized space. Experience the ultimate in convenience and strength today. Next up at number 3 on our top 5 best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon is the incredibly versatile HeatnBond Hem Iron-On Adhesive. This is the game changer you've been waiting for to make hemming garments and home decor a breeze. Are you ready to revolutionize your sewing projects? Say goodbye to the needle and thread. With HeatnBond's double-sided iron-on adhesive, you can permanently hem garments without any sewing. That's right, no stitching required. Just iron it on and enjoy a clean, professional hem in seconds. Imagine the time you'll save. This super-weight adhesive is perfect for heavier fabrics like heavy cotton, denim, suede, wool, and corduroy. Stubborn fabrics that usually resist traditional hemming are now easily tamed. Your garments and home decor will have that polished, store-bought look without the hassle of sewing. HeatnBond offers a thoughtful touch with its color options. Use white for light-colored fabrics and black for dark-colored ones, ensuring your hems remain invisible. The heat-activated double-sided adhesive guarantees a strong, permanent bond that stands the test of time. Application is straightforward. Simply measure your hem, place the adhesive between the layers of fabric, and press with a hot iron. Voila! A perfect hem that holds up wash after wash. It's that simple and efficient. HeatnBond, hem iron-on adhesive, super weight. Your ultimate solution for quick no-sew hems that look impeccable. Whether you're working on a DIY project or refreshing your wardrobe, this adhesive delivers professional results effortlessly. Try it out and see the magic for yourself. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon? If so, don't hem and haw. Make sure to stitch that like button, sew in a subscription, and press the bell icon to keep your sewing projects seamless. At number 2 on our countdown of best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon, we have the exceptional HTVRONT HTV Vinyl Rolls Heat Transfer Vinyl. This product is an absolute must-have for all your crafting and customization needs. Ready to elevate your DIY projects? This vinyl is fabric-friendly and incredibly easy to cut, weed, and transfer. Forget the frustration of dealing with intricate designs. HTVRONT's premium quality heat transfer vinyl ensures you get it right every time. It's sensitive to temperature and pressure, allowing for seamless application on any t-shirt. Just make sure your blade is clean and sharp, and watch as your designs come to life effortlessly. The great stickiness of this vinyl is what sets it apart. It adheres to fabric seamlessly and withstands wash after wash without fading, peeling, or cracking. For the best results, iron between 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 320 degrees Fahrenheit with mid-pressure for 10 to 15 seconds. After cooling for a minute or two, peel off the backing to reveal your vibrant, durable design. Your creations will remain pristine even after repeated washing cycles. Versatility is key with HTVRONT HTV vinyl. Perfect for shirts, tote bags, sportswear, aprons, hats, and pillows, this vinyl makes your creations stand out. It's suitable for a wide range of fabrics, including athletic mesh, cotton, polyester blends, lycra, spandex, and other textiles. Plus, the vinyl is SGS certified eco-friendly, ensuring safety and peace of mind. With dimensions of 12 inches by 8 feet, this vinyl roll is easy to cut into various sizes for art designs, logos, or letters. It's perfectly compatible with all cutting machines, making it a breeze to use with 12 by 12 inches and 12 by 24 inches cutting mats. Looking for the perfect personalized gift? HTVRONT HTV Vinyl is your answer. Customized t-shirts for Christmas, Halloween, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Create something unique and personal that your loved ones will adore. And if you're not satisfied, HTVRONT offers excellent customer support to ensure your happiness. HTVRONT HTV Vinyl Rolls, Heat Transfer Vinyl, your go-to for easy, versatile, and eco-friendly crafting. Transform your creative visions into reality today.
Finally, at number 1 in our top 5 best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon, we have the versatile GDMINLO soft tape measure. This is the ultimate tool for all your measuring needs, whether you're sewing, tailoring, or just keeping track of body measurements. Are you ready to discover why this product is a must-have in every toolkit? Let's start with the measuring range. With a span from 0 to 60 inches and 0 to 150 centimeters, this tape measure covers all bases. The dual scale, accurately printed on both sides, ensures you have the flexibility to measure in inches or centimeters based on your requirements. Compact enough to fit in your pocket or backpack, it's perfect for on-the-go measurements without taking up much space. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this tape measure is built to last. It won't stretch or deform, guaranteeing consistent and reliable measurements every time. The soft plastic material makes it flexible and portable, ideal for a variety of uses. And with its bright white color, the black markings are clear and easy to read, making accuracy a breeze. The GDMINLO soft tape measure features metal tabs on each end, providing a sturdy surface to butt up against the item you're measuring. These metal ends also prevent fraying, ensuring your tape measure remains in excellent condition even after extensive use. Wide application is the name of the game here. Whether you're a seamstress, a crafter, a quilter, or anyone in need of a flexible measuring tape, this product delivers. It's perfect for body measurements, sewing, tailoring, and measuring any curved surfaces. Accurate, reliable, and easy to use. What more could you ask for? So there you have it, the GDMINLO soft tape measure, your go-to tool for precise and convenient measurements. Make it a staple in your crafting and sewing arsenal today, and experience the difference in quality and functionality. This tape measure truly stands out, earning its place as the #1 best seller.
We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling sewing notions and supplies on Amazon. To stay updated with the top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.